Unlocking the secret. Fit as a fiddle, explained. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting phrase that you might have heard but wondered about its meaning. Fit as a fiddle. It's a phrase rich in imagery and history, and by the end of this video, you'll not only understand what it means but also how to use it confidently in your conversations. So, let's get started. The phrase, fit as a fiddle, is used to describe someone who is in excellent health and physical condition. When we say someone is fit as a fiddle, we're comparing their good health and energy to the fine condition of a well-maintained fiddle, a type of violin. It's a way of saying that someone is as healthy and sound as a well-tuned instrument, ready to perform at their best. Understanding the origin of phrases can often help us remember them better. The phrase, fit as a fiddle, has been in use since the 17th century. It's believed that the comparison to a fiddle, violin, is used because fiddles were, and still are, prized for their clear, beautiful sound when they are properly tuned and cared for. Just as a fiddle needs to be in top condition to produce beautiful music, a person needs to be in excellent physical shape to be considered fit as a fiddle. Now, let's look at some examples of how you can use fit as a fiddle in everyday conversation. After months of yoga and healthy eating, I feel fit as a fiddle. My grandfather is 90 years old, but he's still fit as a fiddle. She recovered from her illness quickly and is now fit as a fiddle. Remember, this phrase is generally used to emphasize not just good health but an exceptional state of physical well-being. It's also helpful to know similar expressions so you can vary your language or understand others better. Here are a few. In tip-top condition implies being in excellent condition or state. As healthy as a horse suggests robust health and strong physical condition. In the pink means being in good health. Originally, this phrase referred to the rosy complexion that comes with good health. And there you have it, folks. You now know what fit as a fiddle means, its origins, how to use it in conversation, and even some similar phrases to expand your English vocabulary. This expression is a fun and vivid way to talk about health and vitality, and we hope you feel confident using it in your own conversations. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English language tips. Until next time, keep practicing, and stay fit as a fiddle.